Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your sleep trends on the Sleep as Android app. To see your sleep trends, simply tap right here, then go to charts, and in here you can just pick, for example, the trend for your sleep score across. No, this is not it. No, it doesn't work like that for the sleep score. But for example, deep sleep, you can look across, let's say, all time and see how much your average went down with the line as it's described right here. How much your average went down, how much everything like that went. You can go into, for example, another thing, your bedtime, to look across all time to see the trend of your average. For example, in mine it goes up. The values themselves too. You can change the amount of time across which you are looking. Though if you pick too low of a time, it might just show you not too much of the trend, because across a single week you can't expect much to be shown. And you can also look into graphs and just look into your own things. In graphs you can tap right here. You also go into charts again. You can just pick all sorts of different things, different time periods to see your averages and all that stuff. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.